Hello, today we will guide you through how to place a trade on IC markets. To begin, head to the Secure Client Area Home dashboard for IC markets. This is where you can access your account tools and trading related resources. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure the page is fully loaded so all menu options are visible. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Downloads. This section is where IC Markets provides access to different trading platforms and tools. If you're new to the platform, this area is especially useful because it helps you choose how you want to access the markets. Inside the Downloads section, click on WebTrader. WebTrader is a browser-based trading platform, which means you can place trades directly from your web browser without needing to install software on your device. This can be a convenient option if you want quick access or if you're working from a computer where downloads are limited. Next, click on Open WebTrader. This will launch the web-based trading environment. Depending on your browser, it may open in a new tab, so if nothing seems to happen right away, check for a newly opened page. Once WebTrader opens, locate the IC Markets SC-MT5 drop-down menu and click on it. This menu allows you to choose the type of server or environment you want to use. In this walkthrough, select Demo. Using a demo environment is a helpful way to practice placing trades and getting familiar with the platform layout without using real funds. After selecting Demo, click Continue to MT5. This will take you into the MetaTrader 5 web interface, where you can view instruments and place your order. Give the platform a few seconds to load completely, since charts and market data can take a moment to appear. Now select a sample symbol. This means choosing the market or instrument you want to trade, such as a currency pair or another available asset. Be sure you click the correct symbol, since your order will be placed on that selected instrument. Finally, click Buy or Sell, depending on the direction you want to trade. Buy is typically used when you expect the price to rise, while Sell is used when you expect the price to fall. Before clicking, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you're on the correct symbol and screen, especially when practicing the order flow. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of opening WebTrader, entering the MT5 demo environment, selecting a symbol, and placing a trade on IC Markets.